So we started with 2 small hamburger patties, and the idea that we were going to use the broccoli cauliflower mix. Found some minced onions frozen in the freezer. Got some leftover broth from some noodles, and with a combination, this is what they were. And we got these for $1 at Walmart over the New Year's, for a New Year's party. And I have taken the sticks out and unwrapped the bacon. I'm going to crisp that up in the skillet with the meat. And I have broken up oven-ready lasagna noodles, because I used all the other noodles yesterday. And I'm going to create some kind of sauce in a second with my heavy whipping cream. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. Alright, I'm draining the brown meat and the bacon, and these shrimp are just starting to turn pink. So when they're done, I'm going to get to the sauce. And since I'm out of butter, I'm trying to create a creamy, flavorful sauce. So I've got my thyme, my ground Jamaican allspice. I'm going to use the red curry powder in here. It tastes just, it smells just as sweet as the yellow that I have, but I think there's a little bit of spice to it, and obviously my garlic powder and my turmeric. So, and then the peas will go in that as well. So we'll see. So I've got the cream on medium high so it can thicken up with the Parmesan cheese, which I got at the dollar store, so it's not as strong as the other Parmesan. So I do have to use a lot, but I don't mind because it's just $1. And I've got the leftover from the soup mix liquid. And I'm just going to start adding some spices. And I love how the turmeric turns everything that golden yellow. You probably can't see it really good on this camera, but it's way more golden. It's like the Hollandaise sauce. And I actually learned that as a trick, that if you want to make Hollandaise sauce, but you don't want to use the egg formula, which is what my hang-up was, because I really don't like loose eggs of any kind, you can use turmeric in your sauce, and it's probably, I think it's just a cream sauce, just like this, and it will give you that color without having to use the egg. So turmeric's been my friend for a while. And this stuff is thick, I can feel it. It's gonna coat my noodles and my vegetables very well. Now it's time for a taste of this golden yellow sauce, thick sauce. Let me get it. There you go. Can you see it? That's buttery. That's cheesy. It's creamy. I love a cream sauce. Michael doesn't like cream sauces, so when he's not here, I get to make cream sauces a lot. I really wish I had mushrooms, but doing okay. It's coming together fine. And this tastes good, so I'm ready. So let's just get the rest of the stuff in the skillet. Don't worry about the big lump. I'm going to spread it all out once I get the sauce on. Let's start with that. There's that pink shrimp down there. Let's put some of those up here. And I just need a little liquid, so I'm going to use the liquid for my peas. But I honestly, with all the broccoli and cauliflower, I don't know if I even need that. Peas. Need the peas in there, so I'm kind of debating on that.